Good morning. Another fantastic case. How the advocates or some persons, political persons, are exercising the excess mind while drafting complaint. Actually, what had happened on 11/5/2018, FIR was registered. The allegation was that his brother committed. His brother was uh, abused by the girl's parents and poured poison. Consequently, he became unconscious. Then he was taken to hospital. There he died, and there also they have attributed negligence to the doctor. However, charge sheet was filed for offences under section 320, 302, and section 325 of SC/ST Atrocities Act. But however, charge sheet was filed only under section 306 and section 325 of the Act. So quash proceedings trial was commenced before special court. The quash proceedings was filed before the High Court. But High Court rejected the contention. But the Supreme Court has quashed the complaint, stating that offences registered against the applicant accused under section 306 and 325, except self-serving statement of complainant under witnesses, stating that deceased was in love with the applicant. There is no other material to show that applicant was maintaining any relationship with the deceased. Merely because deceased went to house of applicant, consumed poison, that itself would not indicate any relationship of applicant with the deceased. No material to allege that applicant abated for suicide of deceased within meaning of 306. Even with regard to offence under section 325 of the Act, there is only vague and bald statement that applicant and other family members abused deceased by uttering castious words. So the FIR was quashed. The ratio was, they say, see, abatement involves mental process of instigating a person or intentionally aiding a person in doing of a thing without positive act on the part of the accused to instigate or aid in committing suicide. No one can be convicted for offence under section 306. This is what they have said. They say, uttering castious word, but there is nothing on record to show attract any of the ingredients of the offences. There should be an intention to provoke, incite, or encourage the doing act by an accused. Therefore, by relying the Supreme Court judgment, SS China vs. Vijay Kumar and other cases, the FIR was quashed. So, a best judgment for these cases, kindly go through the judgment. AR 2021 4313, Kanchan Chenga, State of Uttar Pradesh. Probably some persons may have grievance with the State of Uttar Pradesh, but judiciary is there. Chief Justice is not from Uttar Pradesh, and they only follow the cases. See, this is most important ratio, wherein you have to go through the entirety of this definition, how to bring the accused to home if instigation is alleged. The case of Siddesh Kumar Chopra vs. State of Government of NCT, National Capital Territory of Delhi. That was the case laws are being printed. So I hope you understand the case law. Keep this judgment on your file and record. That will help you in defending the case.